Hi everybody, I'm Jeff Teague with Fred Anderson Toyota in Raleigh, North Carolina. It's raining out, so let's talk about rain sensing wipers.
And we're gonna figure out how you know your car has it or doesn't have it, how to use it, and then how you get it. Two white Toyota RAV4s. This one does not have rain sensing wipers. This one does.
How do we know?
Maybe the easiest way to figure out is to just look at the window sticker as you're researching cars, you're out in the lot, we've got a RAV4. Where would it be? It would be in the center section. This is standard equipment that you have on your car because it's a RAV4 XLE. This is optional equipment. It has a convenience package, but it doesn't have a weather package. This window sticker does have it. So, limited. That's not important because all trim levels can have weather packages, rain sensing wipers, things like that added regardless of the brand. So the weather package, look at this right here. It has rain sensing variable intermittent windshield wipers. The other way you're gonna figure out is a little bit more complex. We gotta know where to look. Look at the windshield. It's gonna be somewhere up in here. We've got camera technology, but we've also got the optics. That is not here. Look at this. You'll see no little insert, no bullet, no circle. Toyota has a little line, like an oval almost, a part oval. And we're gonna see that right over here, that little cutout, that little nubbin. This little guy right here, see that? That's rain sensing wipers. This is the one, the black interior. This does not have rain sensing wipers. Look, see? We didn't see that little cutout right here, and we don't see a little extension piece. This one here does have it. So we're looking around. Oh, look at this. We have an extra piece right here. That's the optics, and it's sensing for rain. And remember, we've got that cutout on the other side of it. This is the vehicle that does not have it. Let's look at the windshield wiper stock. So it has intermittent on, intermittent off, but it does not say auto. Let's find a difference on the windshield wiper stock. So we're going here. Do we see it? Absolutely we do. Look at the difference here. It says auto right there in the middle. How you want to adjust it? Right here, this is going to be mist. This is off. Now we go one more down, that's auto. One more down, that's gonna be low. And then one more down, that's gonna be high when it's really raining out. Might use that on a day like today. So we've got it on low, we're gonna turn it over to auto right here, and then we can adjust it. How do you want it? Intermittent, very intermittent, or do you want it, let's see if we can get it in focus here. There, with our wipers. Do you want it more frequent or all the time? So that sensor senses the rain, sees the rain, and now we've got this middle part varying how we have our auto wipers. Thanks for watching the video. Hope it was helpful. Got to go clean off the lenses here. Remember, we're at Fred Anderson Toyota on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook, and we hope to see you there. Thanks for following us.